Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use mysqldump to dump data in delimited text format, which is a very useful feature for some people. It can make it easier for people to understand the data of the table. Before dumping data from the table, we need to know whether the mysqldump program has the privileges to dump data and write to the local folder. We should check the value of the variable secure_file_priv. You can see that the value of secure_file_priv is null. What does the value of the variable secure_file_priv mean? You can take a look at this manual. If it is set to null, the server will disable import and export operations, so we cannot use the mysqldump program to dump data. For the convenience of testing, we set it to empty. If it is empty, the variable is invalid. Now we can dump data to any local folder. It should be noted that the secure_file_priv variable is not a dynamic variable. We have to put this variable in my.cnf and then restart the MySQL instance for this variable to take effect. So, we first put the variable into my.cnf. I use the sed program to insert this variable into my.cnf and then use the head program to check the result of the insertion. Look, this variable has been inserted into my.cnf. Now, we need to log in to the MySQL instance and restart the instance for the variables to take effect. We execute the restart command and then reconnect to the instance. After successfully connecting to the instance, we execute this command to display the value of the variable secure_file_priv. It is now empty. The value of the variable secure_file_priv being empty means that we can dump the data to any local folder. This has been said before. We create a table called T with 2 columns and insert 3 values into the table. After inserting, we check the values of the table by querying the table. These values already exist in the table. We use the mydump program to dump data from the T table. Note the parameters after mysqldump. Tab directory is the folder to dump the data to. Fields terminated by is the string used to separate column values. Fields enclosed by is the character used to enclose column values, and lines terminated by is the line termination string. Let's check the dump result. 2 files are generated. One is t.sql, which is used to create the table. The other is t.txt, which is the data of the table. If you don't know the parameters of mysqldump, you can take a look at this GIF made for you. You can see the data corresponding to the relevant symbols, which makes it easier to understand the corresponding relationship. Thank you for watching. See you next time.